Chapter 23. Maintenance fee. The main reasons clients buy a timeshare is because of the maintenance fee. This line should be used every tour to offset any maintenance objection. A lot of non-buying clients love to use the maintenance fee as a reason for not joining. What bothers me is that you have to pay a maintenance fee every year. A lot of low performers in the industry use the maintenance fee objection as the reason they did not get the sale. They thought the maintenance fee was too high. I did everything I could. If a client has a problem with the maintenance fee, then they are not sold. Fact. It's as simple as that. The maintenance fee is the best part of buying a timeshare. It's the value of the ownership. Say your maintenance fee is $1,000 for a 2-bed villa that sleeps 8. That means the client is paying $142 a night for 2 rooms, a living area and a kitchen. You cannot get that value with the same standard unless you own a timeshare. Fact. Maintenance fee is a good thing. Install that in yourself. A lot of the times the clients will just use this objection to put you off. They think it's a way out. A great tip is to diffuse this objection before it comes out and to plant the seed that the maintenance fee is why clients join. Clients will agree that it makes sense to buy because of the luxury accommodation, the flexibility and locations. If you present it strongly enough with conviction that the maintenance fee is why clients buy, they will agree with that too. A great way to present the maintenance fee is to say, your maintenance fee is so many dollars and this is why people join. Repeat this throughout your presentation. This will make the client feel unsure of using this as an objection not to join if so many others buy because of it. They will feel that they're not understanding it correctly and ask more questions on how it works. When you present the maintenance fee, be proud of it. It's your job to present it, explain what it's for, where it goes, and how the quality is guaranteed. You know you can compare it to what they spend on vacations anyway, and if you have belief in your product and yourself, this will not be a problem. 2 facts. Fact number 1. Too many sales professionals who are low performers use the maintenance fee objection as an excuse and accept it when the clients use it as a reason for not joining. Fact number 2. No owner of this product has a problem with the maintenance fee, only non-owners. Diffuse the maintenance fee early, get your clients to agree that it's good value. At the end of the presentation, it should only be down to the money. Fact.